Eigenvector. Eigenvectors of the 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. The characteristic equation for the eigenvector is A minus lambda I into psi is equal to 0. That is A psi is equal to lambda psi. This is the characteristic equation for eigenvector. Here the 1 matrix sigma x is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. The trace of this matrix is 0. Trace is the addition of diagonal element, that is 0 plus 0 is 0, and the determinant of this matrix is minus 1. So 0 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 1, 1, that is minus 1. This is the determinant. So the eigenvalues of this matrix are this trace is the addition of the eigenvalues, that is 1 and minus 1. This is the trace is the addition of the eigenvalues, and the determinant is the multiplication of the eigenvalues. So we have to find that numbers whose addition is 0 and the multiplication is minus 1. So here 1 and minus 1 are that numbers whose addition is 0. Addition is the trace. So addition of the eigenvalue is the trace and the multiplication of the eigenvalue is determinant. So the multiplication of 1 and minus 1 is minus 1. So these are 1 and minus 1 are the eigenvalues of this matrix. So we have to find the eigenvectors by using the eigenvalues. So here A psi is equal to lambda psi. This is the equation for the eigenvector. So A is our matrix, that is 0, 1, 1, 0. This is 0, 1, 1, 0. And psi is the x, y into is equal to lambda into psi, that is lambda is 1. When we consider the lambda is equal to 1. So this is 1 x, y. So by solving the matrix operation, that is in this way, like this, and this 0 into x, 0, 1 into y, y. 1 into y is equal to x, that is y is equal to x. Here 0 into x is 0, that is 1 into y is 1 into y, that is y is equal to this x. So y is equal to x here. So y is equal to x. So we can put this y is instead of y we can put x. So here psi is equal to xy. So instead of y we can put x. So xy is equal to x, x. Here when we divide this vector by x, so it becomes 1, 1. So this is, and this 1 by root 2 is 1 upon under root 1 square plus 2 square, that is 1 upon under root 2. This is the vector. Okay, this is the eigenvector of this matrix 0, 1, 1, 0 is 1 by root 2, 1, 1. This is the eigenvector of that matrix. Suppose we consider another eigenvalue, that is lambda is equal to minus 1, then the eigenvector is, that is the characteristic equation for the eigenvector is A psi is equal to lambda psi. A is our matrix, that is original matrix 0, 1, 1, 0. Psi is x, y is equal to, the lambda is minus 1, that is minus x, y. So here 0 into x is 0. 1 into y is equal to minus x, that is y is equal to minus x. So instead of y we can put minus x. Here we can put x, y is equal to x minus x. Okay, and here this outside minus. Okay, so here minus sign. Okay, that is x, y is equal to minus x minus x. So this minus sign is here, and here 1 minus 1 and the 1 upon square root of 1 square plus minus 1 square, that is 1 upon under root 2. That is minus 1 upon under root 2. 1 minus 1 is the eigenvector of the matrix when the eigenvalue is minus 1. When we consider the another example, sigma y is equal to 0 minus I 0. So here the trace of this matrix is the addition of the diagonal element. So diagonal element is 0, 0. So trace is 0. And the determinant of this is 0 into 0, 0. And 1 and I into I square, that is I square is minus, and this minus into this minus, that is determinant is minus 1. So lambda is 1 and minus 1. How to find the values of eigenvalues, or how to find the values of lambda? That is, here in matrix the addition of the eigenvalues is the trace. That is 1 and minus 1 is equal to 1 plus minus 1 is 0. And the determinant of the matrix is the multiplication of the eigenvalue. That is 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. So this is the values of, this is the eigenvalues that for this matrix. So we have to find the eigenvector using this eigenvalue. The characteristic equation for finding the eigenvector is A psi is equal to lambda psi. That is 0 minus I 0 into xy. This psi is xy is equal to lambda is 1 xy. Here 0 into x is 0. Plus minus I into y is minus iy is equal to x. So minus iy is equal to x. So we can write y is equal to ix. Okay. When we multiply both sides by I, then it becomes y is equal to ix. Okay. So we will get the value of y. So instead of this y, we can put ix. So here we keep xy is equal to ix. So here when we divide this by x, so it becomes 1 I and 1 upon under root 1 square plus I square. So 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 upon root 2. So this is the eigenvector when lambda is equal to 1. Next, when lambda is minus 1, then this 0 minus I 0 xy is equal to minus 1, this into xy. When 0 into x is 0 plus minus I into y is minus iy is equal to this minus x. So minus iy is equal to minus x. So here iy is equal to x. So y is equal to minus ix. So instead of y, we can put the minus ix. xy is equal to x minus ix is equal to 1 upon minus I. So here 1 and 1, that the multiplier is 1 and 1 here. So 1 upon under root 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 upon under root 2, 1 minus I. This is the eigenvector when of that matrix when lambda is equal to minus 1. There are two types of eigenvalues, non-degenerate eigenvalues and degenerate eigenvalues. Here we consider first case is non-degenerate eigenvalues. The matrix is 3 by 3 and then we have to find the eigenvectors. Here the matrix is 1 1 3 1 5 1 3 1 1. So the trace of this matrix is 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 7, and the determinant, when we find the determinant of this matrix, how to find the determinant we discussed this in last lecture. So the determinant is minus 36. So from trace and the determinant we can find the eigenvalues. How we can find these eigenvalues? That is when the addition of this eigenvalue is our trace and the multiplication of this eigenvalue is our determinant. Then we have to find the numbers that the addition of that number is 7 and the multiplication of that number is 36. So when determinant is minus 36, then 6 into minus 6 is minus 36. The addition of this is becomes 0. So we have to again find the product of this minus 6, that is 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Okay, so our that is the addition of 3 plus 6 minus 2 is 7. So these are our eigen values. So minus 2, 3, 6 are our eigen values, and both all eigen value are non-degenerate. No one is repeated here, so it is non-degenerate. When it is repeated, we can call it is degenerate, but here no one is repeated, so it is non-degenerate eigenvalue. So using non-degenerate eigenvalue, we have to find the eigenvectors. So how to find the eigenvector, that is A minus lambda I psi is equal to 0. So A is this vector, so A minus lambda, that is 1 minus lambda, 1, 3, 1, 5 minus lambda, 1, 3, 1, 1 minus lambda, 0 is equal to 0. When we take the lambda is minus 2, then 1 plus 2, 1, 3, 1, 5 plus 2, 1, 3, 1, 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So this eigenvector 3, 1, 3, 1, 7, 1, 3, 1, 3 x, y, z is equal to 0. So we take this equation 3x plus 1y plus 3z is equal to 0, and 1x plus 7y plus 1z is equal to 0. We can only take two equations, that is sufficient for finding the eigenvectors. So we can take we can take this number like this, and we use here zxy method, that is this is 3, this is 1, again we have to take this 3, that is 3, and this 3, then this 1, then this 7, again we have to take this 1, and then this 1. So using this, that is zxy, so this method is zxy, that is this is z element, this is x element, this is y element, and from like determinant we can solve this. 3 into 7 is 21. Okay, z we can like this, z this is not upon, the z element is 3 into 7 is 21 minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. This x element is 1 into 1 is 1, 7 into 3 is 21, that is 1 minus 21, and this is 3 into 1 is 3, and 3 into 1 is 3, that is 3 minus 3 is 0. So z element is 20, x element is minus 20, and y element is 0. We can write it as x, y, z, that is what is the x is minus 20, y is the 0, and z is the 20. So it is 1 upon root 2. Okay, so when we divide this by 20, so it becomes minus 1, it is 0, and it is 1. So it is 1 upon under root 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square is 1 upon under root 2. So this is the eigenvectors when this lambda is minus 2. When we take lambda is equal to 3, then our equation becomes, or our matrix becomes minus 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, x, y, z is equal to 0. So the equation of this matrix is minus 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 0, x plus 2y plus 1z is equal to 0. Then how we write this equation is this minus 2, 1, again this minus 2, and then this 3. Then 1, this 2, again this 1, and this 1. So this is the trick of finding the values of x, y, and z. So like a determinant we can find this value. So this is value of z is, this is not upon, we can write for the z's value, that is 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 into 1 into 1 is 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is minus 4 minus 1. X value is 1 into 1 is 1, and 2 into 2 is 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, that is 1 plus 4, and the y value is 2 minus 2 and minus 3. So this is the value of x, y and z. So the value of z is minus 5, value of x is 5, and value of y is minus 5. So this is x, y, z. We have to take this value carefully. X value is 5, y value is minus 5, and z value is minus 5. When we divide this by 5, so it becomes 1 minus 1 minus 1. So it is 1 upon under root 1 square plus 1 minus 1 square plus minus 1 square is 1 upon under root 3. So it becomes 1 upon under root 3, 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is the eigenvector when lambda is equal to 3. Case second, degenerate eigenvalues. When the eigenvalues are degenerate, then how to find the eigenvectors? When two or more eigenvalues are same, then we can call it is a degenerate eigenvalues. May or may not give a same eigenvector. Suppose both eigenvalues are same, they may or may not give the same eigenvector. Either eigenvector is same or not same. So how to find whether the eigenvectors are same or distinct? So we have to suppose these two eigenvalues lambda 1 and lambda 2 both are same, then we have to find the n minus r, that is n is the order of that matrix and r is the rank of a minus lambda I. So r is the rank of a minus lambda I. So when we find the r and the order of that matrix, that is n minus r, then when n minus r is equal to 1, then same eigenvalues of for this same eigenvalue and have same eigenvectors. And when n minus r is not equal to 1, it is 2, 3, 0, then same eigenvalue have a different eigenvectors. Okay, when this n minus r, n is the order, r is the rank. Okay, so n minus r is equal to 1, then only same eigenvalue have same eigenvector. When n minus r is not equal to 1, all numbers are possible, then same eigenvalue have distinct eigenvectors. Consider the example first, that is 1 minus 2 minus 5, 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 is our matrix. Then the trace of this matrix is 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 3 is trace is minus 1, and the determinant of this matrix, that is minus 20. So in last lecture we discussed how to find the determinant. Okay, so by using trace and determinant we can find the eigenvalues. That is how we know that the addition of these eigenvalues are the trace of the matrix and the multiplication of the eigenvalues are the determinant of matrix. So we have to find that numbers whose multiplication is minus 20 and whose addition is minus 1. So we have to find from this determinant. Minus 20 is 5, minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. So again the addition of this is not minus 1. Here 3 by 3 matrix, 3 eigenvalues are there. So here we have to cofactors of that 2 and 2 is the cofactors of this 4. So this 2 into 2 is 4 and this 2 2 minus 5. The addition of is all these are minus 1 and the multiplication is minus 20. So this is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 eigenvalues. So here 2 and 2 both are degenerate eigenvalues and minus 5 is non-degenerate eigenvalue. So when how to find the eigenvectors when the degenerate eigenvalues. So lambda is equal to minus 5 is non-degenerate. So we can find the simply value of this eigenvector using lambda is equal to minus 5. When we put this lambda is equal to minus 5, that is 3 minus lambda, minus 2 minus 5, 4, minus 1 minus lambda, minus 5, 1, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3, minus 7, x, y, z is equal to 0. That is 3 plus 5, minus 2 minus 5, 4, minus 1 plus 5, minus 5, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 5, x, y, z is equal to 0. So it become 8 minus 2 minus 5, 4, 4, minus 5, minus 2, minus 1, 2. X, Y, Z is equal to 0. That is 8x, the equation of this matrix is 8x minus 2y minus 5z is equal to 0 and 4x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 0. So this 8x minus 2y minus 5z is equal to 0. 4x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 0. So this is z x y method and is 8 minus 2, 8 minus 5. Okay, how to write it? 8. Again this minus 2. Again this 8 we have to write 8 and this minus 5. Then this is 4. This is 4. Again we have to write this 4, 4 and this is minus 5. So like a determinant we can find the values of z, x, y. So 8 into 4 is 32 plus, so this is 4 into 2 is minus 8. So minus 8 minus 8 is plus 8. 32 plus 8. X, the value of x is minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 into 4 is 32. And y, value of y is minus 5 into 8 is minus 40. Minus 5 into 4 is 20. So minus 20. So minus 40 minus 20 is minus 40 plus 20. So value of z, x and y is, the value of z is 40. Value of x is minus 40 and value of y is minus 20. So x, y, z is minus 40 minus 20. 40 is 1 upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. That is 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus plus 2 square. That is 1 upon under root 9 minus 2 minus 1 2. These are the eigenvectors. Okay, for the lambda is equal to minus value minus 5, that is the non-degenerate eigenvalue. So now we find the for a degenerate eigenvalues. Okay, for degenerate eigenvalue, that is lambda is equal to 2, 2. Both this is degenerate eigenvalue. So we have to find the eigenvectors. So a minus lambda I, that is 1 minus 2 minus 5, 4 minus 3 minus 5, minus 2 minus 1 and minus 5. When we find the determinant of this is 0. Okay, the determinant of this is 0. It means the rank of that matrix is less than 3. Okay, this is 3 by 3 matrix and the determinant is 0. It means its rank is less than the order. Okay, then we take the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, from this matrix, that is 1 minus 2 4 minus 3, that is 1 minus 2 4 minus 3. So when we find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, it is non-zero. That is minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 5. That is non-zero. So the rank of this matrix is 2. Okay, the order is 3 and the rank is 2. Okay, then we have to find the n minus r, that is n minus r. N is the rank, n is the order of that matrix, that is 3 by 3, that is 3, that is n is 3 and r is 2. So the 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So n minus r is equal to 1. So for this eigenvalues we get the same eigenvectors. If this is not 1, then we will get different eigenvector, but n minus r is 1, so we will get the same eigenvector. Okay, for the lambda is equal to 2 same eigenvectors by using ZXY method. So this, when we put this value of lambda, then we will get the matrix 1 minus 2 minus 5, 4 minus 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 x y z is equal to 0. When we take the equations x minus 2y minus 5z is equal to 0, 4x minus 3y minus 5z is equal to 0, that is zxy, that is 1. We can write it 1 minus 2 1, again this 1, and then is minus 5, again 4, again minus 3, okay, then this 4 and this minus 5. So using ZXY method, that is we have to find the like determinant. So 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, and minus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, that is 3 minus 3 plus 8. This is minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, and minus 3. So minus 8 plus 3, and then y is minus 5 plus 20. So this is the value of z is 5, value of x is minus 5, and value of y is 15. So we can write like this: x y z is equal to minus 5, 15, 5, that is x y z is equal to 1 upon, when we divide by this 5, then it becomes minus 1, 3 and 1, then 1 upon under root 1 square plus 1 square plus 3 square, it becomes root 11. Okay, so x y z is equal to 1 upon under root 11 minus 1, 3, 1. So this is the eigenvectors for the degenerate eigenvalues. Here n minus 1 r is equal to 1, so the same eigenvectors for these two eigenvalues. So second matrix is, the second example is minus 9, 4, 4, minus 8, 3, 4, minus 16, 8, 7. The trace of this matrix is 1 and the determinant of this matrix is 3. So we know how to find the eigenvalues by using trace and determinant. So that when the addition of the eigenvalue is the trace and the multiplication of the eigenvalue is our determinant. So from the determinant we can find the eigenvalue. So the 3 into 1 is 3, and but this addition is not 1. So again we further divide, is 1 is minus 1, okay, and minus 1. So this is minus 1 in minus 1 to minus 1 is 1, okay, and minus 1 okay. So here the addition of this is 1, okay, minus 1 in plus minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 3 is 1, and this multiplication is again 3. So these are the eigenvalues, okay. So how to find the eigenvectors? Okay, these are both are degenerate eigenvalue, okay. Minus 1 and minus 1, these are degenerate eigenvalues, and this is a non-degenerate eigenvalue, okay. So characteristic equation for that is A minus lambda is equal to psi is equal to 0. Minus 9 minus lambda 4, 4, minus 8, 3, minus 7, 4, minus 16, 8, 7 minus lambda, that is x, y, z is equal to 0. When we take this degenerate eigenvalues, lambda is equal to minus 1 and minus 1, okay. So this vector becomes minus 8 So this matrix becomes minus 8 4 4 minus 8 4 4 minus 16 8 8. So here all rows are identical. Okay, this is rows are identical. When we divide it by 2, its rows are identical. Okay, when we divide this last row by 2, then it becomes equal. So it is identical means when the rows of the matrix are identical or equal, then the rank of that matrix is 1. Okay, so the rank of this matrix is 1 and order of this matrix is 3 by 3. So n is 3 and rank is 1. So n minus r, that is n 3 minus 1 is 2. So here n minus r is not equal to 1. So here for the same or degenerate eigenvalue, there are different eigenvectors. So here n minus r is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So n minus r is not equal to 1. So then different eigenvectors for this degenerate eigenvalues. So this matrix is minus 8 4 4 minus 8 4 4 6 minus 16 8 8 x y z is equal to 0. So the equation of this is minus 8x plus 4y plus 4z is equal to 0 minus 2x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So from this equation we can write z is equal to 2x minus y. Okay, we can write this. Okay, z is equal to 2x minus y. Okay, and here x y z, so we take this z in term of x and y. So instead of z we can take x plus y, that is x y and x plus y. So here x, so when we divide this two, that is here this term we can write it as x. Okay, what is remaining here when we take common x from this? Okay, when we take common from x from this, then it becomes 1. Okay, then it is 0. Here is not x, so here 1. So 1 0 1. And when we take the y common from this, that is y 0. Here is y, that is 1, and here is again y. So this is 1. Y 0 1 1. So this is x y z is equal to 1x plus 0 y. Okay, 1x. Okay, 1 minute. This is x is here, so we can write it as x 1x plus 0 y. Here is not y, so we can write it 1x plus 0 y, and here 0x. So here x is not here, na. So we can write 0 into x plus 1 into y, and here z x plus y, z is x plus y. So we know the value of z from this equation is 2x minus y. So we can put this value 2x minus y. Okay, so this is the value of z. So we can write it as, this is 1x. So x, when we take x common, that is 1. Okay, then x here is not x, so this is 0, x term only, 1 0, and here 2 plus this is 0. Okay, and this is 1. So y term common, so here is not y, so this is 0, this is 1, and here minus 1. So these are the eigenvectors. Okay, 1 0 2 and 0 1 minus 1, these are the eigenvectors for this degenerate eigenvalues. Okay, these two vectors are different. Okay, so here n minus r is not equal to 1, so here different eigenvectors for the same eigenvalues. This one is 1 and this is another vector.